All right, my friends, I have another non-phone chat work from home job lead for you. This one requires little to no experience, so it is perfect for almost anyone. But real quickly, before we dive into it, if you're new here, my name is Lindsay, and I'm always searching the internet and bringing you daily work from home job leads. The goal of this channel is to have everyone having the healthiest, happiest life with that work-life balance working from home. So make sure you're subscribed if you never want to miss another job lead. And as always, all the jobs are linked in the YouTube description box below. Today's job lead is from the company, the McClendon Center. Now, the McClendon Center is a community-based service provider operating under the Washington, D.C. Department of Behavioral Health. They are a non-profit organization. And they are looking for people to join their ever-growing team as an online chat specialist. This is entry level. They are really looking for enthusiastic individuals who can chat online with visitors and answer any questions they might have while visiting the website. So you'll be responsible for answering incoming customer live chat. So this is the chat box on the website. So it's non-phone regarding website navigation issues, service issues, and general client concerns. You evaluate customer interactions and elevate or escalate any issues to the online chat manager when appropriate. So you'll create relationships through written word to new customers to better understand and achieve their needs. You'll respond to their questions, inquiries, and requests and problems accurately, concisely, and appropriately. You'll also provide administrative support to the customer service team. So what are they looking for? They do not require any college degree and little to no experience is required. They're looking for someone who has a strong work ethic with the ability to work well independently as well as within a team. Someone who has PC, keyboarding, and internet experience. Someone who is a strong communicator, both written and verbally. Someone who has an upbeat, positive attitude. Someone who can articulate and well accustomed to a client-facing role. Someone who has the ability to compose professional emails is a plus, but not required. You do have to have great written English skills. And it says that this position is remote, so you will be working from home. Now, unfortunately, they do not list the pay for this position, and that's always dependent on location and experience. However, they do offer a benefit plan, including medical, dental, life, and vision insurance, paid time off, and 401k. If this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, as I'm always reading those and keeping an eye out when I am searching for job leads to share. And thank you so much for watching. I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. Two videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.